Jai Hind बच्चों. Today we will do one more topic of chapter 5, that is fundamental unit of life of class 9th, and this topic is Golgi body. So these Golgi bodies, they are present in eukaryotic cells and absent in prokaryotic cells. Yeah. So if we study its structure, how it looks like, then it's a membrane bound vesicles. See, this is membrane, and these membrane bound vesicles, they are arranged parallel to each other in a stack, and these are called cisternae. Clear? And if we see its placement in a cell, where it is placed, so it is placed near to endoplasmic reticulum. So if we study the cell, this is nucleus, okay, and this is endoplasmic reticulum that we have studied in previous video. Okay, so endoplasmic reticulum is nothing but is extension of this nuclear membrane, right? So this endoplasmic reticulum and this Golgi body, they are connected to each other, and we know that endoplasmic reticulum, there are formation of proteins and lipids. That RER manufacture proteins, and SER, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it manufacture lipids, right? So whatever is formed, whether it's a lipid or protein, right, it is pinched off from this ER and stored in these vesicles, right? And these vesicles, they move and they got attached to this Golgi body, right? And here, this is the raw material actually, these proteins and these lipids, the raw material. Their modification happens in this endoplasmic reticulum when they move in this cisternae, right? And when they move it, they go still here, and from here they pinch off and form these large vacuole type structures, right? So these contain proteins or lipids, right? So this way it forms a network, right? This is called the cellular membrane system, right? So these are all nothing, these are membrane. The membrane is pinched from the ER, having this material, that is protein, lipids. It goes to Golgi body, then it is moving further. So these membranes, they have connection. So and ER has connection with Golgi body, and they all form a cellular membrane system. This is called the cellular membrane system, right? And this material synthesized that we say in the ER, that is protein or lipid. So smooth endoplasmic reticulum forms lipid, and rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes proteins. See? So whatever material synthesized in the ER is packed, and is dispatched to various places in the cell is through the Golgi apparatus. So it goes from here to these vesicles, then these vesicles, they go and attach to these Golgi bodies, and Golgi body, it moves in these cisternae, and their modification of this material happens, and then it goes to different parts of the cell, right? So this is the one more, if we talk about one more function of this Golgi body, is the formation of lysosome. How it forms lysosome? Lysosome we have studied in previous video. Same way, lysosome, what lysosomes they have? They have enzymes, they're hydrolytic enzymes, digestive enzymes. So these enzymes are nothing but they are proteins. So these proteins are synthesized in this ER. Okay, they move to these vesicles. These vesicles pinch off to these vesicles of and they attach to these Golgi bodies, and this material move to these cisternae, and there they modify, okay, or mature, right? And they pinch off from this to the larger vacuoles and form these lysosomes. So this way Golgi body forms lysosomes. We have studied the structure of lysosome. It is nothing but lysosome is what? It's just a membrane, and in this it is a hydrolytic enzyme. Clear? So this way, this is a formation of lysosome. So function of Golgi body is storage of product in vesicles. Second is a modification and packaging of the products in vesicles. So modification like simple sugars convert into complex sugars. This way it is modified in Golgi body. Third is it is always involved in the formation of lysosome. Clear? So, and this structure, it is first studied by Camillo Golgi. There is a scientist who studied this, or who found this Golgi body, right? So this is about Golgi body, that is given in your syllabus, and more detail about this we will study in your higher classes. So thank you students, thank you so much.